Hi guys. A couple of weeks ago, I bought domain Bikemates. It started as a joke with Juanjo, who bought domain Boilermates and created directory out of it. So I bought Bikemates and want to create another directory which will have some fun part in it. Every biker will receive a small icon near his product, which will identify that this developer is a biker. And I want to create this project from scratch together with you. I will use Larafast directories project for that. And let's get started. Let's clone the repository and let's install Composer. Then we need to copy environment variable file, generate artisan key. And let's open the project. So by default, project will have SQLite as a default database. I use MySQL, so I will change it to MySQL here. And let's name this Bikemates. Let's go to the documentation again. Here we have configurations for admin. Inside the seeders, we have configurations for categories and products. Let's do that together. So for admin, I will leave it as it is for local development. The credentials for admin. For categories, we have here predefined the most popular categories. We don't need all of them right now. I will just remove them and replace with some categories that we will use here. So it will be Laravel, iOS, let's do Vue and Next.js, for example. Let's run the migrations. Do npm install. And we will need npm run dev here. As you can see, we have our directories project ready with the categories here and predefined products. So now let's go and modify some stuff. As I mentioned, I want all the bikers to receive their icon near their name, and I want also to add their Twitter handle near the name so people can follow and find developers. And let's add Boolean column, which will be is biker. By default, it will be false. What else we need to modify? Yeah, so by default, when user registers, they will receive the routes to create new product will be protected by middlewares, which are checking if user subscribed for the product or he has an order for the product. So for our case, the add-in products will be free. So let's remove that middleware from submitting the products. It's this one. Let's remove it from here. Also in the create product component, we also have redirect to the payments page. Let's remove that one too. So after creating a product, user will be redirected to dashboard. Let's remove this one from here. And I think we're good. Let's refresh the database. Yep. As for registration, users need to receive a verification code, so we'll need to add email configurations. I have my email configurations from my previous project, so I will use it for local development. I use Resend, so you can use any mail provider that you want. And let's do a registration. Verification code is sent. while we're receiving verification code. So to update this, we can just update the project name inside the environment variable file. So let's name it bikemates, bikers and more, for example. So I received the verification code. Let's do that. And yeah, we are inside our user dashboard. So to submit the new product, you just need to add their information. I will add my project here, Laravel SaaS boilerplate. And let's copy description. Description, by the way, supports Markdown, so you can add any Markdown here. For the categories, we have Laravel, and for the logo, I will use my logo URL. From here, you can upload the file. Yep, our product is ready. So after verifying that everything is right, we can submit it for moderation for the admin, and admins will receive a notification that there is a new product which is ready to be moderated. And after it's accepted, user will receive a notification that his product is accepted. Let's go to the admin and approve the product so we can see it here. Here's our product. Let's make it active. And let's go to the main screen. Right now, we will not see the product. I will show you in a minute why. In the products component where we have our products list, we have a filter that only products that has subscription or orders will be shown. So we need to remove this part, and here also all the products that added by admin. We don't need these queries from here, so let's remove them. And let's check back. Yeah, here is our product. So let's log in back as a user. For login, we use here magic links. So let me generate it, and we'll need to do some modifications in user update profile because we need Twitter handle, and also we need an information if user is biker. So here we are logged in. Let's go to the profile and let's modify it here. Let's close all of this. Profile, update profile information. And here we have, let me find it, where are usernames? Yeah, here is it. So we have our name, email, and let's add also Twitter. It's not required. And also we will need the toggle that user is a biker. Are you a biker? Let's make this actually a checkbox. And we should be good. Let's check it. Nice, we have these columns. So now we need to modify the action which is responsible for updating profile information. We can add validation here. So it's Twitter, it's nullable, and it should be string. And also we have is biker, which is also nullable, and it's Boolean for us. Then we need to add these two columns here. Let's check if everything works. It says saved. This one is not saved. Let's check why. Yeah, I think we need to add value here. Nope. Let's go to the database and check how it's saved right now. Ah, yeah, it's actually saved as true. And yep, we will need to add the checked. Actually, let's do it like this. If it's biker, let's checked, then nothing. Yep, and we have our checkbox working here. So we need to go and modify these cards to show the user profile information. Let's go to the products again. Here we need to load our user. And let's show it here, or maybe inside the card body. I will keep it simple right now just to test it. And we can also add user image. Product, user, and let's check the column, how it's called in the users table. So it's profile photo path. Yep. Let's check. Biker, not biker. And I don't see user image. Let's check why. One sec. Let's see how it's done inside the dashboard. Yeah, it's profile photo URL, not the path. Nice. So these ones are default images and we can change it later. Let's add. Nice. And we have our user cards. It's a bit ugly, of course. I will still need to do some changes in the UI, but we have our directory project ready. We can filter the products by categories. We can search in them. As you can see, everything works fine here. That's it. 15 minutes. We have ready to go project. Cheers. Thanks for watching.